What's up, you all? It's Timstuh. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about how to connect your DJ controller to your phone so you can provide the best live streaming experience for you and your viewers. What most DJs do still relatively to this day is that they're just playing external outputs through their speakers and more in their live streaming experience, when in reality you can provide an overall studio sound to your viewers to where it sounds like they're in the same room as you. And so it's very important you can learn these things, and I got some quick tips for you so you can connect your controller while you have your setup with your laptop, your controller, and getting it into your phone to really bump up that experience. And I've done this on Instagram Live and on Twitch TV, and soon I'll be doing it on TikTok, so I know it's gonna work very much, and you can have a great time with your viewers in terms of providing them a loud, fulfilling sounding experience. So let's go ahead and get right to the steps. But before we get started, I just want to say thank y'all so much for almost 140,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you for 1,200 followers on Twitch, and thank you for helping us out here as we're continuously slowly trying to grow a community right here on YouTube. And we're actively posting here on YouTube and on TikTok and on Twitch. We got a lot of business endeavors coming around, so just come through and say what's up. You're definitely gonna enjoy the content, so don't miss out. Share with your friends, or just interact with us in the comment section below, as it always gonna mean the world to us. Right into it. So number one thing, of course, you need your laptop and your controller set, however you're doing it, through Serato Lite or anything else. This is just to go directly to your phone. This is what I love to use, and I know it's a simplified process, so make sure you have your MIDI set up. So I have my MacBook, and then I have my Numark Mixtrack Pro 3, and then I use those two. Next, you're gonna need something called an iRig. This is how the iRig looks. The iRig technically goes directly into your phone manually, and it's easy for those that are not also highly tech savvy. This can help you out so much. This right here is going to go into your phone. You see the audio, it's a 3.5 audio jack. And then the other end of the iRig is a 1/4 inch. And so you're going to need something. I'm going to go over that right now, but you'll see this. This is how the iRig exactly looks. It has literally some logos and icons of a headphone, and then it has of a guitar. But in other words, you can use a DJ, and then the sound basically coming out, being plugged into it. So the audio format, if you have an iPhone, you're just going to need an adapter in order for it to actually go into an iPhone. If you have an Android, then perfect, you can just use it like this. Now the other side is a 1/4 inch, so you're gonna need a 1/4 inch adapter in order to be able to adapt to your DJ controller. Just because with controllers, most modern controllers, you have an AV to a 3.5 millimeter, and so this converts it to a regular 3.5 millimeter instead of a 1/4 inch jack. Is it gonna focus in, or we don't want to do it today? There we go. Come on, there you go. So yeah, so you'll be able to get this back into one. So with a DJ controller, you're gonna need also for the last thing. So you're gonna need an iRig, a 1/4 inch adapter, and then you're gonna need your AV ports. So on top of your setup, you just need these three things, and you'll see the AVs right here. I have the color functionality, and then I have an audio. So this goes into the iRig, boom, just like that. And then these two right here are gonna go into the component of the controller that you have. Here's the controller to give you an example. I'm just gonna do it like this. I was gonna edit it and put more, but let's just show you live. It's just white and reds, just like that. Literally all these three right here, I'm already set up, because this is assuming that you already are plugged into your laptop, which is via USB. Where's my USB component at? Right here. So via USB right here, I'm gonna be plugged in right here to the laptop. This is gonna go directly into my phone. This right here just goes, that ending audio jack, just like that, goes directly into the phone. I have an iPhone, so I have to use an adapter on top of this. But if you have an Android, like what I said, just these three. Okay, so I just want to drop shit. These three alone, so the iRig, the 1/4 inch adapter, and the AV to audio, which will go into the AV to a 3.5 millimeter, are usually the things that you do need in order to be able to DJ literally a live stream through your phone. A live stream through your phone that is really, I did this on Twitch TV for multitudes of hours, and it was just directly through my phone on either internet service, that Wi-Fi, or if you have it through your phone. It provides the best experience ever. You can still have alerts and everything if you're on Twitch, and so that's the most interactive one I'd recommend. You can do it on IG Live. Still provides a loud quality. Now, of course, when in Facebook they have some more copyright aspects, but if you do your mixing the right way, with tempo and just with BPM, you're able to probably avoid some of those copyrights, and so you're able to do it on Facebook Live. And then on TikTok will be the same way. They're a little bit less strict on copyright stuff, so I'll definitely recommend going live on TikTok more and going live on Twitch TV, as they won't really DMCA you as fast as maybe Facebook would. So in my order and favorites, I'll definitely go Twitch, TikTok, Instagram, and then Facebook. But you can work on all those platforms thanks to this being able to just be plugged in directly to your phone. Now, but like what I said, so of course when you're DJing, you're connecting to your phone, and that just goes right into your phone, and that beats so much, and it's so easy. It's literally just that easy, and you can get that iRig online, get on eBay or Amazon, and it's literally that easy. And what makes it really mind-blowing is that you can just connect directly to your phone, and they get the full sound accordances as if you were crazy live streaming with tons of equipment, when in reality you're not. The only equipment that you do need is your DJ setup, which you already have and which you will do live, maybe with your PA or with a mini speaker or some monitor speakers, but it still sounds like there's an echo going all around. And so when you plug in directly to your phone, they're literally listening to every moment that you're listening to. Then if your controller, your modern controller, does have a microphone, you can talk directly to them just like that, and it's just like this YouTube video. It sounds just as crystal clear as that. So it's mind-boggling, it's incredible. So don't sleep on this. Go and get it. I'll list all the things you do need, is just those actual key components. And guys, go and get it. Try it out with the DJ controller. You can do this on Twitch TV. You can do this on TikTok. You can do this on Facebook and Instagram. And it's very, very much a great way to adapt and get into virtual, especially my old schoolers that are not doing internet too much. This is an easy way to jump right into the virtual world. Get online donations, get Cash Apps, and get more PayPal. And doing what you enjoy most, as you would do anywhere else in other shows or just live or bars, and just how the world's adapting. It's a physical world now and a virtual world. So imagine just having your hands in both, and the easiest way to do it is this way. So especially if you have free services like virtual DJ, or if you have a Serato Lite, you can't really use a lot of the wireless aspects. Or if you are tech savvy with wireless, cool, you can use the wireless, but I'll still recommend just a manual one because it's easy. You can just do it real quick, and some people just don't know that much. So I wanted to share this insight with you all, and I hope this one helps. Especially for those that are not that advanced in technology. If you are, then you could probably do some wireless aspects with the full Serato. My name is Timstuh. I hope you all can give us a thumbs up and subscribe, as it means the world. And this is how you would DJ through your phone. And it always excites me just talking about this, because how simplified it is, and just how much fun you can have as a DJ, and myself as a DJ and producer. It just means the world to me. So I love y'all. Y'all can spread the word. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a good one. Peace.